In this video, we'll discuss about the introduction to AWS and its core components and models and architecture. So myself, Avinash Kumar Akondoju, and my professor is Dr. Victor Govindaswamy. So in this video, we'll discuss about what is AWS and what are the main major components which are present in the AWS. So basically, in the part of introduction, AWS Web Services is one of the world's most widely used cloud computing platforms. Created and maintained by Amazon, it provides a broad set of on-demand services such as computing power, storage solutions, database management, and networking capabilities. These services are developed through a vast network of data centers spread across the globe, allowing users to deploy applications with low latency and high reliability. Allows offers advanced technologies including machine learning, big data analytics, and IoT, which is called the Internet of Things. This comprehensive ecosystem helps businesses of all size develop, deploy, and scale applications quickly while maintaining strong security and operational efficiency. So these are some key features which are like global reach, wide search, portfolio, scalability, security, and innovation. In the global reach, access to worldwide network of data centers for a reliable and fast service of the packets which needed to be passed from one place to another place. Wide service portfolio includes compute storage, database, networking, analytics, and machine learning, and more. In scalability, easily scale resources up or down based on demand to optimize cost and performance. Security, built-in security features and compliance certifications to protect data and applications. Innovations, continuous release of new services and features to meet evolving business need. Core components. So these are some core components which are in the AWS, like cloud computing models, deployment models, and shared responsibility models. In cloud computing models, we have like the SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Basically, SaaS, which stands for Software as a Service, which delivers applications hosted on AWS that users can access through a web browser. This model eliminates the need for installation or maintenance on the user device. Where PaaS stands for the Platform as a Service, where provides a ready-to-use platform for developing, testing, and deploying application without managing the underlying infrastructure. AWS Elastic Beanstalk simplifies app deployment, handling capacity, provisioning, and load balance. Infrastructure as a service, which is called as IaaS, which offers users visualize computing resources over the internet. For example, EC2 allows customers to rent virtual servers and manage operating systems and applications themselves. So deploying models, we have like the public cloud, private cloud, and community cloud, as well as the hybrid cloud. The public cloud is nothing but which refers to cloud services providing over the public internet and shared across multiple organizations. AWS is a prime example, offering scalable resources on the demand to various customers globally. Whereas private cloud is a cloud environment dedicated slowly to one organization, offering greater control and privacy by isolating resources from others. It can be hosted on a premises or by a third party. Hybrid is nothing but both public and private cloud infrastructure, allowing the data and the applications to move seamlessly between them. This model provides flexibility and optimized workload management based on the specific needs. Community cloud is a shared cloud infrastructure designed for a specific group of organizations with common concerns such as security, compliance, or jurisdiction. It enables collaboration while sharing costs and resources among members of the community. Shared responsibility models. AWS operates on a security framework that clearly divides responsibilities between AWS and its customers. AWS ensures the protection of the core cloud infrastructure, including physical data centers and networking and hardware. Meanwhile, the customers are responsible for the securing their own data, applications, as well as the access which they give to the control within the cloud. This partnership helps maintain a strong security posture by leveraging the strength and the enterprises of the both parties. AWS is basically responsible for these features like securing physical facilities and infrastructure, maintaining network and hardware security, managing the virtualization layers and foundation services. Customers are basically responsible for protecting their data and encryption and sensitive information, and conferring access control and user permission, which is called IAM, securing applications and managing operating systems, monitoring and responding to security incident in their environment. So basically, this is the diagram of the customers' responsibilities and the cloud responsibilities. As we can see over there, where the customers are responsible for platform application identification and access management, the operating system which they use, and the client data and the encryption, server side encryption, and the network traffics, where the AWS is responsible for the storage database and the networks, and it is also for the software side, for the storage and compute and everything. For the hardware side, which is responsible for the AZ, which is called the availability zones, edge locations, and the regions. Regional and availability zones. AWS organizes its global infrastructure into distinct geographic area called regions. Each region represents a separate locations around the world designated to provide low latency access and meet local regulatory requirement. With every region, there are multiple availability zones, which are isolated data center with independent power, networking, and cooling. These AZs are physically separated by connected through a low latency link, allowing applications to run in a multiple zones simultaneously. This design enhances fault tolerance by ensuring that if one AZ is experiencing an outage, the other can continue to operate without a disruption. By deploying applications across multiple AZs with a region, the customers can achieve high availability, data redundancy, and disaster recovery capabilities. This global infrastructure layout enables AWS users to build scalable, resilient applications that meet strict uptime and performance standards. So this is the availability zones like zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 are the three different availability zones in a region. So these three regions are connected through a fiber wires. So the customer can deploy is objects or else is data in three different zones. So if one of the zone is not working, so he can use these two zones by deploying into three different, he'll get high scalability and high low latency. Thank you so much.